sure I'm not the only one, but the reason I'm here is because I was scrolling on TikTok and saw your videos.
Thank you. I know, and it's hard for me to say don't scroll because maybe I'm costing myself some business, but boy, that stuff is addictive, right? So
it is.
maybe just heart the healthy stuff for you and just all I'm asking, guys, I'm not trying to be your mommy or your daddy or your pastor or anything like that. All I'm saying is, like, if you really want to build a spectacular life for yourself, I'm just going to tell you right now, it's totally possible. Even if you take however much money you think you need or whatever life you think, make it twice as good or 4 times, you can still achieve it. But just be really careful about the problems that you allow in. I'm not saying like be ignorant, but at the same time, like if you can't do anything about the tragedy that happened 3,000 miles away, at some point you need to go, should I let in every single piece of bad news in the universe, or could I maybe spend that time getting more skillful, more precise, more effective so that I can help other people and in turn help myself? And then if you want to take some of that money and donate it to charity or make the world a better place, you can do that too. But just sitting around and going through car crash videos and the world's coming to an end, and can you believe this jackass politician said this jackass, it's like, it's not, you're not actively involved in solving the problem. So either get involved, and bitching about it is not getting involved. Either step into that problem, like put your boots on and go fix that, or focus on yourself. And it's amazing, like, by the way, just sidebar, last little piece on that, okay? If it really is important for you to know about it, it will find its way to you. You don't even have to block it out. Just gonna say. Like, you'll know about it, right? 99% of the world is coming to an end stuff on your social is complete bullshit. There is 1% that maybe you need to know about. If you just didn't absorb so much time, what do they call that? Death scroll or whatever, doom scrolling, right? And focused on how can I get my business better? In your case, Derek, how can I enroll more students? How can I change more lives? Like, how can I find one kid this week that we're going to change their life with martial arts? Focus on that versus doom scrolling. Good things will happen. And the 1 or 2 little bits that you absolutely positively need to know about, somebody's going to tell you. Trust me, they'll tell you. Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.